and welcome. My name is Maria. If this is your first time here, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. Hope you enjoy. Here's the big ice cream cone that I mentioned when I went live last weekend. I have never done one this huge, so I hope to inspire you to make one of your own if you have yet not done one. I'm going to use a brown artist chalk to make my waffle pattern, and I want my lines to be about an inch apart from each other. I have never used artist chalk before on a foam sheet. I'm not sure if there's much of a difference between the chalk or a crayon. If you guys have used them both on the foam, let me know what is the difference, if there's any, because to be honest, I really didn't see much of a difference. Perhaps I was doing something wrong, but leave me a comment. I got these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. They will represent the ice cream on the cone. I also picked up this blue sky paint. If it's too thin, then I'll just use the other one. But as you can see and believe it, it went on just fine. So I was pretty impressed. I guess maybe because it was foam. I know sometimes I have used some of their paint and I just had to add coat after coat, sometimes even up to 6. And to me, it always felt like it was just a waste of time. I should have just went with the other brand, but I was pretty impressed with this one. Now I'm going to make a spooky macaroon spider. Now I have this resin donut that I am going to be using to hold my ball in place, and you want to make sure that the iron is at high temperature. Once you heat your entire foam sheet, then what you're just going to do is gently pull down all the way around until you get the shape of the ball. So now I'm just going to go right ahead and add the hot glue to secure my top piece, and I will do the same to the bottom piece as well. Now I'm going to make his legs. I cut a 12-inch pipe cleaner into 6 pieces. I added light spackle for the filling. You can also use clay if you choose to. I'm going to use this foam sheet with glitter, and it's going to represent the dripping ice cream on my cone. So I just wanted to make sure that it wrapped all the way around, and then I am going to do like a curve line from one end to the other. I wanted my pumpkin to sit a little higher, so I placed a piece of foam inside the cone. Then I cut out the same piece of pink glitter foam sheet and glued it on top. Now, this part is optional, and you will see later why. But if you do not also have a piece of foam that you can put inside the cone, you can use newspaper. Here you can see why I said it was optional to add the foam sheet on top of the ice cream, because I chose to add 3 different color of strips around the cone instead. Okay, so now that she is all done, I am going to go right ahead and put it all together, adding the candies and the other little pumpkin. I also went ahead and changed the color of her eyelids and mouth to gold because I wanted both of them to match. I like how the little candies look like on her head because they represent like hair clips, if that makes any sense to you. And here is a closer look. I was really afraid making this because it's huge. Again, it's out of my comfort zone, you know, but still it came out cute. I like it. I really do. Looks very adorable and very spooky. Anyways, my friends, thank you so much for stopping by, and until the next video, stay safe, be kind, bye.